Hello everyone, this is Mark. In the previous videos, we covered most of the requirements of Element 7.1 of ISO 9001-2015 standard. Today we will talk about organizational knowledge to see how we can address this requirement. First, what is knowledge? Regretfully, ISO 9000 Fundamentals and Vocabulary does not include a definition for knowledge. Merriam-Webster sheds some light on the topic. Knowledge is the fact or condition of knowing something with familiarity gained through experience or association. Let's explore this further. There are three types of knowledge. Explicit knowledge comes from education, instructions, process definitions, and others. This knowledge will not make you an expert. Just have read how to make an authentic Chinese chicken vegetable soup will not make you a chef. Implicit or applied knowledge is derived from practice, work experience, preferences, or others. And the last one is tacit knowledge. It comes from personal hands-on skills, unique know-how, and tips on dealing with complex challenges. Now that we have put our arms around what knowledge is, let's dig into the clause to see if we find something fascinating to think about. Element 716 begins from the organization shall determine the knowledge necessary to achieve conformity of products and services. Some clauses of the standard come across as so pathetic that I wonder why the authors ever bother mentioning them. Isn't it given that we have to know how to produce our products? Of course, we must have the knowledge and the expertise to produce silicon chips, moon rovers, or even bagels. The following statement in this element offers an interesting point. This knowledge shall be maintained and be made available to the extent necessary. Take note of these two words, maintain and available. Possibly, these terms may point to an idea of some knowledge management system, also called KMS. The knowledge management concept came to life in the 1970s when Peter Drucker and Paul Strassman published their works on management theories. While this is an exciting topic to explore, it's outside of our today's subject. There are countless solutions out there for knowledge management. Explore them, they may help you to address many of your business needs. Let's keep on going. Sometimes the standard offers interesting information not in requirements but in the notes. Check this out. Organizational knowledge can be based on internal sources, example lessons learned from failures. The reason I point your attention to lessons learned is that in my auditing, I rarely see companies using this opportunity to the full extent. Such programs as corrective actions, deviations, negative trends, and others often are not on the radar. Companies, not learning from mistakes, repeat them over and over. To summarize, in this video, we completed an investigation of Clause 7.1 of ISO 9001 standard. We also discovered that knowledge management is a good business practice to consider. Actually, if I were to revise 2015 standards, my Clause 716 would require not to determine the knowledge but to establish and maintain a knowledge management system. This is all for today, guys. Before you go, I want to offer you a link to our free downloads. Go to the Academy page on our website and look for your free downloads. Thank you for subscribing, likes, and comments. Your support helps us promote our Lean QMS project. To learn more about Lean ISO management systems, check out my book, The Lean Revolution. You may find a link to it on Amazon below. Thanks for joining me today and stay tuned for the following videos. I hope to see you then.